How to set follow button on Facebook. So hello there guys. As you can see, I am right now in my profile page here in Facebook. So what we're going to do is to simply click on the ellipses button here in our profile page, and we will try to view it as a public person. So here we cannot see a follow button right here. So what we're going to do is to click on our profile icon in the upper right hand corner, and after which we're going to our um, settings and privacy. So here in settings and privacy, we are simply going to click on it and we are going to go to our settings. When we click on our settings, basically it will route us to a settings and privacy page. So here we just need to click on the privacy option in the left hand corner of the panel, and after that we are going to go to our activity section. So here in the activity section, under who can see your future posts, you need to edit that one. And instead of friends, you just need to click on the public button right here. So you need to publicize that one. And then afterwards, you're also going to go to your public post section here in the left hand panel. Okay, when you click on your public post section, basically what you're going to do is that you're going to simply publicize a specific activity right here. So say for instance, here for public posts and who can follow me, make sure that this is public, and for public posts and comments, you can make sure that this one is also public as well. And basically after you made all the changes, then you would be able to also this one as well, by the way, public profile information. And then in that sense, the people could see your follow button afterwards. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope you find this video helpful.